Let's be honest, you're always online, scrolling through TikTok for hours, binge-watching Instagram Reels, and endlessly refreshing your Facebook feed. But here's the painful truth. At the end of the day, your wallet is still empty. Your bills keep piling up, and you're stuck wondering why nothing is changing. You've seen people making money online, buying cars, traveling, living their dream life, and you ask yourself, what am I doing wrong? I've been there too. It's frustrating. It's exhausting. But listen up, what if I told you that the same social media apps you're using to pass time could actually become your money-making machine? In this video, I'll be sharing 4 proven social media jobs you can start right now from the comfort of your home. No experience needed. Whether you're in the US, Nigeria, or anywhere in the world, these jobs can help you earn big and change your life for the better. Follow me till the end, because the last number on this list is a hidden gem that could completely turn your financial situation around. Welcome to Ellent Finance, your go-to channel for side hustles, smart money habits, and passive income strategies. Smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications because your financial breakthrough starts now. Let's get into it. Number 1 on my list is content creation. Let me ask you this. How much time do you spend scrolling through videos every day? What if, instead of just watching, you could create content and get paid for it? Companies and influencers are desperate for fresh, engaging content to stay relevant, and they're willing to pay handsomely for it. You can do the following. Create eye-catching graphics using free tools like Canva, no design skills needed. Shoot short, fun videos for Instagram Reels and TikTok, just like the ones you watch daily. Write catchy captions and blog posts that grab attention. A beginner content creators can earn $100 to $500 per project, and with more experience, you could pull in $5,000 or more per month. Many small businesses in Nigeria, US, and worldwide need content that resonates with their audience, fashion, food, lifestyle, and entertainment. If you can help them, you're in business. The real truth is, most of us are already creating content for fun. Why not start getting paid for it? Number 2, Facebook and Instagram Ads Manager. Ever wondered how those ads that pop up on your feed know exactly what you like? That's no accident. Businesses are using targeted ads, and they need experts like you to manage and optimize them. What you'll do: set up and run ads for businesses using Facebook and Instagram Ads Manager. Target the right audience and make sure ads reach the right people. Track performance and tweak strategies to boost results. Skilled ad managers can earn $500 to $5,000 per month, depending on their clients and campaign sizes. Most businesses struggle with digital advertising. Most waste money on ads without results. Learn the skill, step in, and solve their problem. Think about it. Companies are already spending money on ads. Why not be the person helping them succeed and earning from it? Number 3, online coaching or consulting. You might be thinking, I'm not an expert in anything. But here's the thing, everyone knows something valuable that others are willing to pay for. Are you good at fitness, skincare, business, cooking, relationship advice? Turn your knowledge into cash. This is what you'll do. Offer coaching sessions via Zoom, Instagram, or Facebook Live. Create digital products like ebooks and courses to sell to a global audience. Start a small community and charge for premium advice and guidance. Online coaches can earn $500 to $10,000 per month, depending on their niche and following. Niches like career coaching, business consulting, and relationship advice are hot everywhere right now. People are actively seeking help to improve their lives. Here's the truth. If people are always coming to you for advice, why not turn it into a profitable business? Finally, the last on my list is social media management. Now, this is where things get really interesting. Businesses are crying out for help. They have social media pages, but no time to handle them. They need someone like you to step in and take charge. Your responsibility will be to schedule posts and keep their pages active. Reply to messages and comments to keep their audience engaged. Analyze insights to help businesses grow and attract more customers. As a social media manager, you can earn $500 to $3,000 per month, even if you're just starting out. From fashion stores to small restaurants, many businesses need social media managers who understand local culture and trend. Offer your services and grow with them. Ask yourself this: instead of scrolling aimlessly, why not get paid to manage pages and build brands? If you are interested in starting up a social media management business, you'll love to check out my video on how to start a social media management business with zero experience, a step-by-step approach. This video will hold you by the hand and walk you through the right path. I have shown you 4 different social media jobs that can help you make money from home, no matter where you are in the world. As we conclude, imagine this: instead of wasting hours on social media, you're now making money from the same apps you use every day. No more excuses. It's time to take action and start earning. If any of these jobs interest you and you'd love a step-by-step video guide, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ellent Finance for more practical money-making strategies. Remember, financial freedom isn't a dream, it's a decision. The time to start is now. Until I see you in my next video, keep hustling and stay winning.